Smooth, Wally, YouTube blog maker, on some other shit. Yeah. Let me turn the beat up for you right quick. Yo.
You know, Wally.
I seen perfect home turn track spots, so my best friend's mom a fucking crack rock. She gon' get her regardless, I'ma stack guap. 5 years past, seen her buried in a black box. Real life situations came with stipulations. Getting where you fit in, you don't need an invitation. Know the devil sitting patient, waiting for the day my white trash ass is taken. But I ain't gay, I don't give a fuck, I lift 'em up. No pickup truck, redneck, get 'em bruh. Get 'em bruh.
Pass it on.
Get 'em bruh.
Look.
Get 'em bruh.
Every day paper chasing. I'm winning that game in this bitch. Y'all niggas trying to see it with them boys. You ain't in this shit. He ain't spoke, so I'm in the game. Nigga, yeah, you know my name. It's Smooth. One day you'll see me in the Hall of Fame. I'm gonna play my game. Yeah, I'm that good at it. Be that boy that bring your bitch back. Yeah, shit, she's an addict. She got hooked, she came back, she got fucked and dropped off. Now I'm at my next spot and I'm getting glowed and I'm topped off. It ain't nothing for you, man. Be that boy that don't know jam. Real Volvo, that shit pop, shells popped out and Volvo hand. Wrong to the right. Bullets come from the left, I'm gonna pull the trigger, let the hammer cock. Bullets hit your chest and now you down on the ground. Nigga said hello to death, that nigga said hello, his family loved him to death. Oh well, he should've did what he did. He should've rolled on the kids. He should've stuck up the gun now he can't live no more behind them bombs. They don't hear them shut if you went with your boy, give your face and tell me tuck it, ain't nothing, see the beast. Yeah, we winning, it ain't nothing for the boy, walk around the town to see me grinning, cause I never smile, nothing to be happy about. I got my daughter, that's about that. I'ma be the boy that popped it off, y'all want it with me, nigga, that started up. If you want it with me, boy, I'ma end it up. Y'all niggas ain't nothing, I'ma tough it up. I'ma lift it that boy, standing in, there ain't nothing, I'ma lift you up.
Yo, check this. Listen, gotta hit 'em different and I'm spitting with a system. Motherfuck life support, man, I got another victim, get 'em. It's grind hard, fuck how you feeling. We pulling all these cameras out like we fucking stealing. Underpilling while you kneeling, I'm inhaling. Talks cheap, and we ain't buying that bullshit you selling. I'm inhaling smoke, how you tell, selling dope. I supply it, wow, yeah, not no more cause I got a kid. But if you need it, I can fucking get it for your life. Yeah, boys, for Wally, and I don't care for your life. I can't freestyle, but I'm on a freak now, trying to get the freaks down. Where the fuck the freaks, dog? Wally.
Look. Kicking it in a freestyle. Got your bitch on speed dial. I'ma hit it and smack your cheeks. I'ma do a rebound. I'ma hit you on the rebound. Talking shit, I'ma catch you on the rebound. I'ma be that boy that punch you in your face like you Atlas. Nigga, I don't play with the guns now. Nah, never told her the gun, never shot one. I'ma tell you the truth, about one. If you want it with the ball, when you see me, that's a nigga turn around and run. I'ma be the boy that puts keep coming.
Fuck it, son. You can't fuck with it.
It's about to go in real quick.
I'm gonna let the beat come back. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you something different. I'm gonna go to a different beat. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. We turn all the way up. We turned up, motherfucker. I got this one. I got this one. Let's see what I got on here. That's it. Fuck it.
knocking shit over.
I got y'all though. Yo, where I'm from, you either going hard or getting shot. Hold up. I'ma let it drop one more time. One more time. I'ma run that back. Where I'm from, you either going hard or getting shot. You either selling drugs, pitching rock, ditch the cops. As I'm looking at my wristwatch, time is money, and you know I'm finna get rich. The block's been hot. It's time to move out. And fuck Stella, man, I think I found my groove now. This is whose house? Wally, bitch. I'm hitting homers on these pussies like it's slow pitch. Gunshots every night, sirens every day. They said crime pays, well I need a job like today. I need it in the worst way, my daughter came in May. Time to man up and do some fucking things that I say. Hey, yo, listen. Ready? Like a horrible scream. I ain't gonna give it to him. Jordan got that.
Cut this shit.
The beat?
Really?